हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू ऑनलाइन क्लासेस ऑफ सरस्वती एजुकेशन ग्रुप भादरा जून। ये मैं आप लोगों के लिए आज क्लास 7th के सब्जेक्ट मैथ्स का चैप्टर नंबर फर्स्ट है ना कि एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.2 लेके आया हूँ और ये है आपकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.2। नंबर फर्स्ट वन इज़, देखो भाई ये मैं आपको स्टार्टिंग में बता दे रहा हूँ कि जैसे आपका लास्ट वीडियो था उसका लास्ट क्वेश्चन था है ना, तो आंसर वेरी कर सकता है। जो पीछे आंसर्स दिए ना उनसे आंसर वेरी कर सकता है आपका, है ना। कुछ और आंसर आ सकता है लेकिन दोनों ही सही हैं, पीछे दिया वो भी और जो अपना इधर आ रहा है वो भी, ठीक है। क्योंकि बहुत से इसमें मैं आपको कुछ क्वेश्चन ऐसे मतलब बहुत सी ऐसे कैलकुलेशंस होंगे इनका सेम रिजल्ट आता है, तो हम ऐसा तो नहीं कह सकते कि भाई एग्जाम्पल है वो सही नहीं है या ये सही नहीं है, दोनों ही सही है, ठीक है। बोथ रिजल्ट आर एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट। ओके, सो this is our question number first. Write down a pair of integers whose part A is sum is -7, part B is difference is -10, C is sum is 0, okay. So here are question number first and all the three parts. What I have to do is we have to choose a pair of integers. We have to choose two integers. A pair of integers means two integers like that. Their sum should be -7 here in first part and -10 here in second part and 0 is here in third part. Okay, so first one is what is our first one? First one is this is sum is -7. What is sum? Sum is -7. Okay, so here is, if we will say that our sum is -7, then what we have to look at, this is our part A. Sum is -7 means both the integers should be negative, then only sum will be -7, then only sum will be negative. Okay, both the integers should be negative, then only sum will be negative. Okay, so our first, this one is our first, which is -4 plus -3. This pair can also give us a -7. Okay, now -5 plus -2, this pair can also give us -7. A number of pair we can create for that will give us -7 on adding. Okay, here this is our part B, which is difference is -10. So difference is -10, then we will see our first one is difference can only be obtained when the integers will be of opposite sign. Difference can only be obtained whenever our two integers should be of opposite signs. Two integers should be of opposite signs. Okay, so here what we will see is first one is minus 10 and second one is, what is our second one? First here we will see if the difference is minus 10, then if our first one is minus 7, then our second one is 3, then only minus 7 minus 3 is minus 10. When we will subtract 3 from minus 7, then it will give us a minus 10. Okay, and after that minus 8, then the second integer should be 2, then only we will get minus 8 minus 2 equals to minus 10. Okay, in all these sums, these sums we are seeing the difference is minus 10 only. Okay, part C is sum is 0, then our first integer is, if our first integer is 3, then our next integer will be minus 3, because here we are seeing the sum is vanishes. Whenever we are getting a 0, then we will say that the sum is vanishing. Okay, vanishing. So if our first integer is 4, then our second integer will be minus 4. First integer is 5, then second will be minus 5. Okay. This was our question number first. Then after that we will go for our question number second. 1.2 question number second is, what is question number second? What is question number second? Question number second is, second part A is, write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Whose difference gives 8. Write a pair of negative integers. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. After that, this is B, which is, write a negative integer. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is what? Minus 5. Okay, our part C is, write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a positive integer. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Whose difference is minus 3, whose difference is minus 3. Okay, now what we will do is I am going to solve this question. Okay, so our first part is write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. So our second, because of our difference is positive, then our second integer should be negative. Okay, should be greater than the first integer. Both should be negative because here we are given write a pair of negative integers. So both integers will be negative, but the second one will be greater than the first one. Okay, the second one will be greater than the first one. So this is write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. Okay, so here we will see, what we will see is write a pair of negative integers whose difference gives 8. We have to write a negative integer whose difference will give us 8. Okay, so here we are seeing if our first integer is minus 1, okay, then what will be our second integer? Our second integer should be greater than 1 by 8. Okay, then it will be 9. Then our second integer will be minus 9. And on subtracting, whenever we will subtract minus 9 from minus 1, then what we will get is minus 1 minus minus 9 equals to minus 1 plus 9, and this is equals to 8. Okay, and second one is minus 2 minus 10, then what we will get is minus 2 minus minus 10, this is equals to minus 2 plus 10, and consequently it will give us a positive 8. Okay, after that part B is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Write a negative integer and a positive integer whose sum is minus 5. Whose sum is minus 5. Okay, so negative, because sum is coming negative, that only indicating us, or that is why we have to take our negative integer greater than our positive integer, then only we will get our sum as negative. Okay, so if our positive integer is 10, then our negative integer will be minus 15. Okay, on adding both the integers, what we will get is 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5. Okay, now after this, only what we are going to see is I am just giving you one more example so that you will be able to understand it very easily. Okay, so if our first integer is 15, then second one is minus 20, then their sum will be, what is their sum will be minus 5. Okay, this is the sum. I hope now you all got it very clearly. Okay, our C part is write a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is minus 3. Actually we have to calculate the difference, which is minus 3. Write a negative integer, we have to write a negative integer we have to write a negative integer and a positive integer as well, so that their sum is minus 3. We have to write a negative integer and a positive integer so that their sum is what? Their sum is minus 3. Okay, so here we are seeing, if we will go for calculation, then we will be able to see that a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3, then what we will see is okay. Here our question is writing a negative integer and a positive integer whose difference is -3. So a negative one and a positive one. So I am going to have, this is our positive integer, okay, and look at this is our negative integer and this is our positive integer, and if we will subtract them, then what we will get is -2 minus 1 is -3, okay. And we can take so many values like this. If we are having one integer as 0 and second this is not positive, 0 is not positive actually, 0 is neither negative nor positive, ठीक, okay. So our first integer is this one, then our second integer will be this one, then what we will get is 1 minus 2 is -3, okay. So here our difference is -3 only. I hope you all got it now. Let us move towards our next question, which is question number 3rd, and I am going to take this after having this, so that we can have some place or some space. Exercise number 1.2 and question number 3rd is, what is question number 3rd? In a quiz, team A scored team A scored in a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0. In a quiz, team A scored -40, 10, 0, and team B scored and team B scored and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 successive rounds. In 3 successive rounds. In 3 successive rounds. Which team scored more? Which team scored more? Which team scored more? Which team scored more? Can we say that we can add? Can we say that? Can we say that we can add? We can add integers in any order. Add integers in any order. In any order. So here our question is, in a quiz, team A scored -40, 10 and 0, and team B scored 10, 0, -40, -40, 10, 0, and team B scored 10, 0, -40 in 3 सक्सेसिव राउंड्स। 3 सक्सेसिव राउंड्स में 2 टीम्स ने ये स्कोर किया है, ठीक। विच टीम स्कोर्ड मोर, किस टीम ने ज़्यादा स्कोर किया है ना। कैन वी से दैट वी कैन ऐड इंटीजर्स इन एनी ऑर्डर, क्या हम कह सकते हैं कि हम इंटीजर्स को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। तो अपने देखते हैं भाई, फर्स्ट तो है अपने, ध्यान से देखना, इन अ क्विज टीम ए स्कोर्ड दिस वन, स्कोर्स ऑफ टीम ए है ना, टोटल ऑफ स्कोर, दोनों को ऐड करना पड़ेगा तभी तो पता चलेगा विच टीम स्कोर्ड मोर, ठीक है ना। तो टोटल स्कोर ऑफ टीम ए, टोटल स्कोर ऑफ टीम ए, टोटल स्कोर ऑफ टीम ए, टोटल स्कोर ऑफ टीम ए इक्वल्स टू, देखो टीम ए का टोटल स्कोर क्या है, 10 + 0 + -40, या ये वाला वो बी का था ना। दिस वन इज ऑफ टीम ए, -40, 10 and 0, -40, 10 and 0. So score of team A is -40 + 10 + 0. What this will give us is -40 + 10 + 0 means 40 is negative and 10 is positive, hence the sum will be here we will get a difference, okay, because signs are not same. If signs will be same means if signs were same, minus and minus, plus and plus, then only we will get a sum, but here we will get a difference, and difference is 40 minus 10 is 30, and what sign we will give to this 30 is, what sign we will give to this 30 is minus, because 40, sign of 40 is minus, then we will give it a minus, okay, this is -30. Now in next total score of team B, this is total score of team B, total score of team B, total score of team B equals to, what is the total score of team B, 10 + 0 + -40, 10 + 0 -40, 10 + 0 -40. So here we are seeing, here we will also get a difference, because this is positive, this is negative. So difference is 40 minus 10 is 30, and this is minus, this is with minus sign, then only here also we will get a minus. This is -30, this is also -30, okay. Now what we will get is, or for what we will go is, total scores of team A equals to, total scores of team A equals to -30, whereas total scores of team B is also equals to -30. Then can we say which team scored more? No, both the teams scored equal, none of the teams scored more, okay. Both the teams scored equal, both the teams scored equal points, both the teams scored equal points, okay. Now what we will see is which team scored more. So no team scored, both the teams scored equal points. And last one is, can we say that we can add integers in any order? Yes, we can add integers in any order. Yes, we can add integers in any order, integers in any order. Okay, so this is what we have to answer in question number 3rd. Now we'll move towards our question number 4, which is what is our question number 4? Our question number 4 is fill in the blanks to make the following statements true. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Blanks to make the following. To make the following. To make the following statements true. Statements true. Okay. So our first part is -5 plus -8. -5 plus -8, this is equals to -8 plus what we have to fill over here. And our second part is, what is our second part? -53 plus blank place, this is equals to -53. Third one is, or our third part is 17 plus equals to 0. Fourth part is, what is our fourth part? 13 plus -12 plus blank place equals to 12 plus 13 plus -12 plus -7. Number fifth part is -4 plus 15 plus -3. This is equals to -4 plus 15 plus blank place. Okay. Here in this, what we will see is, this is -5 plus -8 equals to -8 plus -5, because we are seeing in our earlier problem, in our question number 3, we have studied that order of adding the integers does not make any sense. We can add in any order and the result will be same. We can add the given integers in any order, okay, and our result will be the same. Okay, so this is -8, then this is -8, and -5 is lacking, so we will write over here -5, -8 plus -5. Okay, here -53 plus, what we are not adding anything because we are getting -53 as it is, so here we will add 0. Okay, now this is 17 plus, what we will add in this? -17. 17 plus -17 is 0. After that, in our fourth part, what we will get is 12 plus 13 plus -12. Here we are seeing 13 plus -12 and we are lacking a -7, so here we will fill a -7. Okay, after this -4, 15 plus -3, this is -4, this is plus 15, and here we will write a -3. Okay, so this is our exercise number 1.2. and we will see you in our next exercise.